Hello everyone, this is Steve with Rumble Auto Holdings, and I'm so happy to share another wonderful Porsche with you guys. This is a 2002 911 Turbo. It's a very low mileage car, has under 33,000 original miles, and it has some exceptional factory options. The most notable being the X50 Turbo Kit, but it's also a factory Aero Kit car, and it has some carbon bits, including the steering wheel and some of the trim surrounds, all from Porsche. So this is a great example in terms of the spec you'd look for. It also happens to have its coolant lines pinned, as well as a lot of other recent and long-term maintenance records that come with it. So very happy to share it with you. These cars are exciting. They're coveted, and this is quite a special example. So let's go take a closer look at this car by taking it for a drive. Come with me.